Hey guys, it's Ms. Harkins. We're going to go ahead and review before our CBA tomorrow. Okay, so first we're going to solve equations. Remember, for solving equations, our goal is to get x by itself, to isolate your variable using inverse operations. So remember, the inverse to addition is subtraction, and the inverse to multiplication is division. If you have access to a calculator or to Desmos, that's going to be helpful. But if not, it's really okay. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start solving together. So first, we want to bring our constants together. I always like to move my smallest constant. So we have -4 and 8. So I'm going to add 4 here, add 4 here. My 4s, they zero out. So now I have 2/5 x equals 8 plus 4 is 12 minus 3/5 x. Okay, now I'm going to bring my x's together. And so because I already have a constant on the right side, I'm going to go ahead and move this. So the inverse to minus 3/5 is plus 3/5 plus 3/5. All right. So 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 over 5 is 5. 5 over 5, isn't that 1? Sure is. So we have 1x equals 12. That's my answer. Now I can go ahead and substitute to make sure that what I did was correct. So I can do 2/5 times 12 minus 4 equals 8 minus 3/5 times 12. Let's put that in our calculator to check. So 2/5 is 12. Minus 4 equals 8 minus 3/5 times 12. That's true, so I did this correctly. Okay, my next problem is we have 3 times the grouping of x minus 3 equals 4x plus 1. So remember, we want to go ahead and combine like terms or distribute. So if I look on my left side, I can go ahead and do that. When I'm distributing, that just means that I'm multiplying by the outside. So 3 times x is 3x. And then 3 times -1 is -3, right? Equals 4x plus 1. If I look now, I don't need to combine anything. Now, I'm going to go ahead and combine my, I can either combine my constants or my variables first. It doesn't matter which one you do. So I'm going to go ahead and move my x. So what looks smaller, 3 or 4? That would be 3, so I'm going to move that one first. My 3x's zero out, so now I have -3 equals 1x plus 1, because 4 minus 3 gets me 1. Now I'm going to go ahead and move my constants. And so what is the inverse 2 plus 1? That's minus 1, minus 1. These zero out. Negative 3 minus 1 is a negative 4. Again, if I have a calculator, I can go ahead and check that in my calculator. So let's see if this is true. So we would have 3 parentheses negative 4 minus 1 equals 4 times negative 4 plus 1. So 3 parentheses negative 4 minus 1 equals 4 parentheses negative 4 plus 1. It's true, so I did this one correct. So my answer is x equals negative 4. Okay, let's review scientific notation. So it says the human eye blinks at an average of 4.2 times 10 to the 6th power times per year, which the following is equivalent to 4.2 times 10 to the 6th power. Okay, so if I notice, this is a positive exponent. So that means I'm going to be making a big number. Remember, for scientific notation, all I'm doing is just moving the decimal. I'm just changing the place value. So I have 4.2. I'm going to be making my bigger number. So I'm going to move it 6 times. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I can go ahead and check my answer. This one is correct. This one, all they did was move the 0. Or this one, they just added 6 zeros. That's not correct. This one, they add too many. And then this one, they didn't add enough. So my answer here was A. Okay, our next one. June completes a science homework sheet, in which one of the values she records is 0.00000000000052. Since her math class has been working on writing numbers using scientific notation, June decides to record the very small number using what she has learned. Okay, so we know this is a small number. So what do we know that our exponent is going to be? Positive or negative? It's going to be negative. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and move my decimal. Remember, my number is between 1 and 10. That's why they have 5.2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have to move it one more time, make 12. So my exponent's going to be a negative 12. Okay, you guys, this is the end of your video. Y'all can go ahead and play the quizzes that you have not played already. And I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Don't forget, CBA is tomorrow. Do your best. Bye.